So it's just the boys' day. It's just me, and that's it. I don't have Brittany here bugging me. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store, and then I'm gonna get a little and get some food with Brittany's list that she gave me, and yeah, I don't know, just do some errands, I guess, with this beautiful beast of a car that Akim lent me. Thanks, Akim, you're the best. So I went to Lidl, got some food stocked up, do Max Dollies in the parking lot of Lidl. That was pretty awesome. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Hey, this is the local hotspot, isn't it?
The best of the best, man. Thank you, Owen. You're a
Thanks,
star,
Owen.
man. Come on, get in the picture.
If you're in Malta, the brown jug. Good prices, good food, eh?
Yeah, the best of the best.
Yeah, best of the best.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye.
This is
We'll see you in Croatia.
Poor Lucy's sick, but we'll see them in Croatia soon.
Yeah.
Love you guys. See you.
See you soon.
This is the guy with the Liverpool shirt.
Go Reds, go.
Jackson.
What is this?
What is that?
That's your health. That is your passport. Hey.
Yeah, we do that outside. Shall I wash your glass?
No, I leave
No,
it.
leave
Brittany
it.
will do it.
Oh. All right, say bye, boys.
Alright, so I'm sweaty. See you, man.
Ryan, I have a challenge for you, man.
What's that? Oh yeah, yeah.
Next time I see you, it's gonna be down here.
Alright. To the shoulders.
To the shoulders,
To the shoulders.
man.
Alright.
No haircut. Enjoy, guys. Live the dream. Coming down.
Oh, what were you gonna say? Yeah, enjoy.
Good meeting you.
It was really good.
Thank you so
So
much.
this is Slima. It's like a real hip side of town. So we're coming here to say bye to Kim, but he's not here yet. So a little piece of history. Behind us, you see the ancient Greek goddess of the Queen of Malta back in the day, Hercules.
You idiot.
No, that's not true, but it's a cool statue. It's all right. Just make us wait. You know, it's not like we've been sitting here all day waiting for it. Yeah, I know. You know how it is.
We ain't perfect, no. It's some work in progress. Good things go slow. And I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again.
These are the types of things that Ryan leaves as memorabilia.
No, he said that the cleaner's coming tomorrow. The Strada's cleaner.
Yeah, even worse.
Hey. So this is a trucker's beer.
That's huge. Oh, that's a terrible pour.
Kim can have
You
that
can
one.
do it better, come on.
But you spilled everywhere.
Habits, got 'em too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back.
Check someone to have a hug as well, right?
We're getting ready to head off. We have to go and fill up all these fuel tanks before we go. Do you know where you're going?
I actually have no idea. Right?
Maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you. Lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with.
Alright, we're finally ready to go, aren't we?
Yes.
It's like
You
six
just
to...
got gas all over the boat.
I know. Well, it wasn't a lot, but it's mainly just to protect the teeth.
Ryan! Are you serious? I didn't even know you had that open. That's really bad, isn't it?
it is.
Why would you leave that open?
Stressed out, sorry. So this is a fuel separator, water separator. So the fuel goes in, it separates the water, and the water just accumulates at the bottom. So because we put water in there, he said just every time we use the motor, you might get a bit in there. So just empty it, and then once we empty the tank, we'll suck out the last little bit of fuel. Because you don't want to suck out €200 worth of fuel, you know what I mean? So we can just suck out €30 worth of fuel.
I can't believe this just happened. Ryan's starving,
I'm so hungry.
but he has to get this done.
Well, I just said like that was €100. I mean, two of them. About sold off €15,000 for a new motor. So there's always two sides to every story, but basically what happened was I was just finishing filling up and I was about to put the cap on.
Oh,
Brittany just decided to pour water in the diesel because she thought it would make it go faster.
Yeah, right. No, do you know what happened? You said, Brittany, I spilled a bunch of diesel everywhere. Can you go grab a bucket and pour it down and clean it? Literally being the good girlfriend that I am, just do what I'm told. Don't ask questions. Did it.
Agree to disagree.
How can you agree to disagree when you're the one who told me to go clean it?
I don't remember that part of the conversation.
You idiot. Maybe this is the universe doing us a favor. Maybe there was already water in there and the motor was gonna conk out on us at some point, and the universe was looking out for us because we're good karma people. And it knew that we were about to cross over to Italy, and it's like, let's fuck their boat up now so they get it fixed before they go.
If the universe makes everything.
Thank you. Yeah.
You too, and
Ryan's just left us to go tie on the stern lines because we're gonna go into this tiny little bay and go stern too. This is the second time we've done it. Luckily we've got some people that we've met, some Aussies in a catamaran who said they're gonna help us. Jackson's tied up, which he's pissed about, so he's crying like a lunatic. And I'm just sitting here bobbing around, trying not to crash into anything. We're running out of daylight. The best feeling is when you're tied on and you can sit down and have a drink and not feel like you're gonna die. We did it. It wasn't actually as bad as we felt like it was gonna be. And there's some really cool caves around here.
Ah shit, it's hot when you hold it like that. So basically you enjoyed the Royal Malta Yacht Club, eh?
Did you see that guy?
Just jumping off the cliffs.
Yeah, we were really lucky there. They took really good care of us.
Bruno just made everything, he just made everything so cool, you know. He always came by every day, said hello, helped us with something.
Okay.
But no,
And they got us a bottle of Prosecco when we left.
thanks for that, we drank it, it was
Thank you,
really
we
nice. We
drank
drank
it
it already.
last night.
We got another private pool.
Ryan's become a true sailor.
Yes, a real man.
Don't inhale it.
Puff it. Properly.
Donkey, you're such bad influence.
Oh, there you go.
Getting him to know to the finer things in life.
Now sit back and relax.
This is what we do as sailors. Basically drink beer, smoke cigars and talk stupid shit.
Ryan, you have to look more relaxed.
smoke, and then it comes out this big smoke cloud. Do you get smoke out of you?
Panama hat, right?
Yeah, see, that's how it goes.
Need a Panama hat.
And all this in the beautiful Meliha Bay.
Maleha Bay. Look at that.
Straight from
And look at this hot stuff over here. And you guys live somewhere around here, don't you?
In the valley.
What a spot.
Yeah.
Meeting you guys.
And fair winds to Sunday.
And
Wherever fair winds
for
Sunday is in.
Sunday.
So
Yes.
glad we met you guys.
You're off to Sicily.
Now don't. It's not popping. Brittany, what are you doing?
My hands are slippery.
Come on, baby, harder.
You have to go get that now.
No! Make sure there's no dog hair on it, because that's just the way we roll around here. So us girls are gonna sit here while you go on a romantic, speed-induced adventure on that.
On Rover.
Oh my god.
But not without beer, right?
Very important. work.
Chop, chop.
Alright.
Sun's gone down.
Want a,
Hurry up.
I felt
How
really
romantic.
All right, choose.
Have
Auf
fun.
Wiedersehen. Police rib.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. They look very official, like they're gonna pull you over and give you a ticket.
Give it some gas. Give it some gas.
No, we can't. We have to go out of the zone.
Yeah.
Lying. Just having the time of their life.
Pizza takeaway. Pizza takeaway. Delivery has arrived. Delivery. Capriccioso, please. And a margarita, thank you.
Hey ladies, how much?
Jackson and his mum going for a swim. It was really hot, so I slept outside, and it was good, but now I'm just a bit wrecked. But I think I'm just gonna jump in. This is how we shower now, because we're trying to conserve water, so I'm gonna jump in and have a bath, bring some soap with me, and then I'm gonna check out of Malta and head off to Sicily. It's exciting. And Jackson's gonna use his passport for the first time. Hey, this is what he does when Brittany goes in the water. Jackson, it's okay. She will be back.
Okay, so there's a catamaran next to us, and I came out this morning and I thought, oh, that's funny. That guy doesn't look like he has any clothes on. And I thought maybe, you know, it's first thing in the morning. He's come up naked, gone for a quick swim. He's been out there for like 2 hours. He's cleaning his barbecue.
With his dick out.
Butt ass naked.
Literally 2 hours later, he was like out there, he was cooking brekkie, his dick was hanging
He's scraping his barbecue, butt ass naked.
Oh.
I feel like we'll come across that a lot.
And the chick over there. Alright, now I gotta figure out where I'm going. I can send that to a little bit.
We have our passports.
Yes, I got everything that I think. Alright. Wish me luck, eh? Knowing my luck, I've got to go to check out now with me and Brittany, and I'm pulling into Grand Harbour, which are the busiest harbours, and I'm thinking, oh, I hope there's not many boats around. And now I'm going to cross over, and this bad boy's just pulling in. It should be fun, eh? So after a quick beer of Zonka behind me, continue on to the Port Police and Customs, and we're going to check out. I don't know if I'm meant to do that or if that's right or whatever, but we'll soon find out if someone tells me off. One step closer to customs and checking out. So I just checked out of Malta for tomorrow at 4 AM when we leave, but I don't actually know if this is correct because he didn't give me anything. I filled out a crew list with me and Brittany. He wouldn't give me a VAT refund. He said I do that when I leave Europe, not Malta. He didn't stamp my passport. He didn't give me anything that I need to enter Italy. He just said, it's all fine. Brittany wasn't there, it was just me, so it's a little strange. So I hope I get no hassles when I get to Italy, because that will be a bummer. But yeah, so we're all checked out of Malta, ready to head to Italy. Now I gotta go past all these cruise ships and the other side of the channel. Goodbye, Danny. That's Mark's sailboat, Danny.